Pitso Mosimane has made it clear his story in South African football is not finished. Speaking on SMWX, hosted by Season for Walsh, the former Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns head coach revealed he is open to return to the PSL and has unfinished business with the national team. Mosimane, currently unattached, said a comeback to South African football is possible, dismissing any notion that his journey abroad marked the end of his local ambitions. Mosimane first took charge of Bafana Bafana after the 2010 FIFA World Cup, having served as assistant to Carlos Alberto Pereira during the tournament. His tenure as head coach ended in disappointment when South Africa failed to qualify for the 2012 Africa Cup of Nations. Yet he describes the experience as formative, an early lesson in the pressures and expectations of leading the national side. Now, more than a decade later, he believes the timing may finally be right. He said the AFCON medal is the one that I want to close. I want to close everything. That's the medal I don't have. I would love to win AFCON with Bafana Bafana. That's the one I want. He was quick to clarify that he's not lobbying for the position, insisting that the decision rests with the South African Football Association. However, his passion was unmistakable. He said, if you ask me to sign the contract, I'll sign it today. It means a lot to me. I think we are at the right time with the right generation to win AFCON. With current national team coach Hugo Broos expected to step down after the upcoming World Cup cycle, the Bafana Bafana post could soon become available, a scenario that aligns neatly with Mosimane's ambitions. Before taking his expertise to Egypt, Saudi Arabia and Iran, Mosimane built a domestic dynasty with Sundowns in an 8-year spell. He delivered 5 Betway Premiership titles and guided the Brazilians to CAF Champions League glory. His continental success did not stop there. After departing Sundowns in 2020, he clinched 2 more Champions League titles with Egyptian giants Al Ahly, cementing his status as one of Africa's most accomplished coaches. In recent weeks, speculation has linked Mosimane with a sensational return to Sundowns, while his name has also surfaced in conversations around Kaizer Chiefs. When asked whether he could see himself back in the PSL, his response was quite simple. Why not? For Mosimane, a strong domestic league is central to national success. He pointed to the importance of top clubs competing consistently in continental competitions, and said, I like it when Chiefs are playing Confederation Cup. Pirates and Sundowns are in Champions League. That's where you test yourself. He believes South Africa has the quality and depth to compete for Africa's biggest prize, provided the country stops making excuses, and said we have the capacity to win AFCON and we should not be making excuses. Whether he's returning to reshape the PSL or leading Bafana Bafana to long-awaited AFCON glory, Mosimane's message is clear: he's ready. Decorated, experienced, and driven by unfinished business, Jingles may yet script one more defining chapter in South African football, this time with an AFCON medal in mind. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.